Kwentuhan ng kabulastugan, hindi malilimutan ang asaran na merong pikunan, lalo na rin nung unang niligawan, unang kabiguan. At dyan nagseseryoso ang usapan at pagdadamayan na tunay at tapat na kaibigan. O mga buwang o kaibigan, lubang maaasahan. Di na tayo babata, edad mo di nahahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan lang makita, tsak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa. Inuman pang magdamagan, minsan inaabot pa ng ayaan na kung saan-saan, na para bang walang kinabukasan at kahantungan. At dyan nagsiseryoso ang usapan at pagpapayuhan na tunay at tapat na kaibigan. O mga baliw o kaibigan namang nakakaaliw. Di na tayo babata, edad na di nahahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayong
Huwag kang baby, huwag kang matakot. Ikaw lang ang muling sa aming pili at tupi. Kukumihin na lang kita. Sa'yo na magagawa, mga ibong mga ako ng sobra-sobra. Para sa nakakaya.
From your misery, and she like memories that made your life for all eternity. Now this angel has gone away from me, though it has friends to set her free. Leave her at me because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh, I'm so tired, I feel like I want to think I'm all night in this room that puts me in the trance where hopes and dreams come true. Now my days are burning, and my eyes are hurting. Now there's two to make me still alive. See her exit to pass my time, oh, and no sign return. I am on to the train, as they say they're stowed away from me, living in drunken misery. I should have been a risk and then a mind for all eternity. Now they say they're stowed away from me, Lord, I have strength to set her free. Keep her in because I love her so. Maybe she ever find her way back home to me.